Detecting fuel smells, Mechanic's Guide to Diagnosing Leaks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing how to detect fuel smells by providing a mechanic's guide to diagnosing leaks. Have you ever caught a strong whiff of fuel around your car and just shrugged it off? Don't ignore it. That smell could be the first red flag for a dangerous fuel leak. Today we'll show you how to track the source safely before it becomes a costly or hazardous issue. The smell of gas isn't the only clue. Are you noticing reduced fuel efficiency or small puddles under your vehicle? These signs often indicate something's wrong in your fuel system. Recognizing these early is vital for preventing larger issues and maintaining the safety of your vehicle. Before diving in, assemble a few simple tools: a flashlight, gloves, clean paper towels, and safety goggles. Make sure you have proper ventilation and turn off all ignition sources. A basic toolkit is all you'll need to start troubleshooting like a pro without putting yourself at unnecessary risk. Start with the fuel lines. Inspect them carefully for cracks, brittleness, or damp spots. Next, check the connections. Loose or corroded connectors can cause subtle leaks that spread fuel odor. Don't forget the fuel tank. Look for rust, punctures, or damp areas that might indicate a problem. Here's a quick trick. Take a clean paper towel and dab it along areas where you suspect a leak. If the towel picks up a damp spot with a fuel smell, you've likely found your culprit. This simple test saves time and gives you clear, visible evidence. If you discover a leak, don't panic. Small leaks can sometimes be temporarily patched with fuel-safe tape or sealants until you see a professional mechanic. For significant leaks, avoid driving your car altogether. Call a tow service for safety. Always prioritize fixing the issue promptly. Remember safety first. Work in a well-ventilated area, away from open flames or heat sources. Always wear gloves and eye protection. Fuel can be harmful on contact. And if you ever feel unsure about repairs, never hesitate to consult a certified mechanic. Fuel leaks don't have to be intimidating. By using these troubleshooting methods, you can locate and understand the issue like a skilled DIYer. Maintaining your car's health gives you peace of mind, saves money, and keeps you safe on the road. Did this video help you feel more confident about tackling fuel smells? Share your thoughts in the comments and hit that like button. For more expert troubleshooting tips, subscribe and join our community of DIY enthusiasts. Take charge of your car's safety. Start today by learning, inspecting, and repairing.